In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can delete instants from Instagram. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. To remove an instant from Instagram, all you need to do is open up the Instagram app, and you want to make sure you're on the account where you posted the instant. Then you want to tap onto the message icon there in the center, and right here on the right hand side you can see the instance. Okay, so tap on that plus, and then you can see there's the camera. If I take a photo, there will be my Instagram instance, and you can see that icon there at the top right hand corner. Just simply tap on that. It will show you your instance, and what you can do to delete it is to just long press on it, and then you can delete it like that. So you can see now it says deleting, and there it has been deleted. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.